Hello friends, today we are making bhadang. It's an Indian snack. It's made of puffed rice. So ingredients needed for it is puffed rice. We need some roasted ground chana dal, some green chili, some garlic. I finely chopped them. You can even crush them. Turmeric, curry leaves. I have roughly chopped them, and some peanuts. We also need hing or asafoetida, some sugar, and some salt. We need some jeera and some rai for tadka. We'll need some oil, so we'll take a big pan for this. So we are taking big pan so that it's easy to mix it well. But if you don't have a big pan, you can use a small pan and take a big bowl in which you can keep the bhadang or chuda and then mix it. Okay, so let's get started. So we have kept pan on a heat. I'm adding some oil to it. That's more than enough. Once the oil is hot, we'll add in the peanuts and the chana dal and mix it. The oil is hot enough. We'll just throw in the peanuts so it gets roasted. You can also add raisins over here if you like. It's optional, totally optional on your taste bud. If you like it, go ahead and add in raisins and cashew if you like. So this is slightly toasted. I added in the cumin seed and I'm adding the mustard seed. Mustard seed has crackled. Now turn off the gas and add in the rest of the ingredients. I'm adding the hing and mix it. If you like it really spicy, you can add in lots of green chilies, or you can go ahead and add in the red chili also if you want it really spicy. Add in the salt and the sugar and mix it again. Remember, you need to turn off the gas. Now add and mix it. So our bhadang is ready. Please do try it out. Why are you not able to see? My camera is not picking the color. It's turned to nice light yellow color. So bhadang is ready. Please do try it and let me know how it turned out to be. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye. See you later.